I just absolutely had the urge to tell you that you need to go get it. I know that fear is paralyzing you and that you're paralyzed, stuck on the fact that there are things that are scaring you, that changing is scaring you, that taking risks is scaring you. And all of that is valid. I get it. But I want you to do things regardless of fear. Be fearful and do it anyways, because there is so much waiting for you on the other side of fear. Fear is going to paralyze you, and it's going to not let you see your potential. It's not going to let you see all the amazing things that you can reach and achieve in this life. It's not going to let you see the person that you can become and how much more happier you will be with that version of yourself. So you need to step it up. You need to decide that enough is enough, and that you won't wait for tomorrow or within a week or when you won't have problems or then when life will be more stable. You just need to go get it. You just need to start taking action. I don't care how small that action is. Just take a little step forward. That little step forward will motivate you to take another step forward and keep it going. Build that momentum. But I hate to see you waste your potential. I hate to see you waste a short life. I hate to see that you're missing out on so many amazing things because you're letting fear paralyze you. You're so much more better than that. You deserve better. You deserve to achieve all of those things that you can envision. Because if you can envision it, if you can see it, I promise you it's possible for you. Because the first step to make something work, to make something happen, is to have it in your mind, to have that vision in your mind. If you have that vision in your mind, that means it's possible for you. I truly believe that. So go get it.